Hmm. Hmm. Okay, you guys come back here a little bit.
Try this again and do that. First one as well.
You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it on that runway. And probably. I'll try it once and see. If it doesn't look like it's going to clear up before it gets to the wires, well, we got to throw it that way anyway, so. Let's give us the best chance we can. We'll put it right back about here. It's not perfect smooth, but. Okay, you guys gonna try to film it again?
Yep. Yeah. Hold on, Casey, come here.
Come
here, right here. Sit. Come here, sit.
You did good.
Just
Say when. See, why does the wind gust up to 25 or 30 every time I try to do this? Set there. Well, this is going to take a little working.
Damage report. What's left of the nose? That bit's missing. And the rest is still on the roof.